Hello and good morning from Paultons Park, here in Romsey, in a small hamlet of Romsey called Ower, that's spelled O-W-E-R, in Hampshire. This is my local theme park, just being up the road from me, because I live in Portsmouth, and this is just past Southampton. So it's about a 45-minute drive from where I live, but had a bit of traffic today because it's the last weekend of the summer holidays, so everyone's rushing to get everywhere, including here. This is quite close to a new forest as well, which is a massive tourist destination, so there's a lot of traffic there. Anyway, so after about what 9 years, I've now officially returned to Paultons Park. I'm now here in the, it's not new anymore, but it's in a Wild Forest Cafe, or restaurant they call it actually, which is in the main entrance hall. Sorry if you can't hear me over the music, but hopefully it comes out alright. I'll tell you that. Yeah, and I've currently got half my mum's tiffin here, and I got this little tiny latte. But it'll be good caffeine boost though. Yeah, and yeah, so here we are, basically. So I don't know where we're going to head first. I want to head over to the Lost Kingdom, because over there we got two brand new Vekoma coasters. You got a suspended coaster, which is like vampire. So this one's a Fly of the, I can't remember the full name. It's quite a complicated way to say it. I can't pronounce the name of it, but it's like Flight of the Parrot, something like that, I don't know. And then you got the Boomerang, which is called Velociraptor, and that looks really good. I've never done a Boomerang before, so that'll be a first. I plan to go on to Cobra, which is a Gerstland, and then I want to go on to Sky Swinger. I might go on a Raging River ride, but I don't know. I've forgotten who made that actually. But yeah, but that's that for that side of the park. And then I'll go through what used to be the old Dragon Walk. They've now rethemed it as part of the Lost Kingdom. They've now got some other name now, something other trail. And the rest, I'm really with the prize for you guys. Now, one thing I will say, sorry to disappoint, I don't have a GoPro, so there'll be no on-ride POVs at all. I do apologise about that. If I had my theme park friend with me, then we probably would have POVs, but that'll be on his channel. But unfortunately, I don't have a GoPro, so no on-ride POVs. But I will try to do some off-ride POVs for you. Anyway, this is going on for 3 minutes now. I'll shut up, and I'll see you guys in the next part of the vlog. So this is a new garden they've added now. Looks like it's themed either around China or Japan. There used to be an older water feature here now. They did. Now it's been replaced with this this rather interesting tree. It's called the cloud tree. Once my camera focuses on that, yep. That's quite nice. Let's go up and explore. So the park entrance is just back there, so this is like the first thing you come across if you go left. The pagoda. Up and down a water feature somewhere. Oh, I see it, that's it. That rock is actually a speaker.
Actually, a nice picnic.
It is. I've got to try the gong. I doubt it actually works, but it's worth a shot, isn't it? It's wood. It's wood. Some buds coming on there. Where they gone? Oh yeah. I reckon that's a... Is that a magnolia, that one? Does it not?
Don't know.
No, it looks like the flowers haven't bloomed yet. Magnolia's probably finished by now, actually. This is really nice. I love these plant water features. Whoops. I need to trip over that rock then, watch out. I'm filming at the same time, I can't see where I'm going.
Oh, look at that leaf.
Sorry, hold on. I was getting a shot of this tree here. That red thing, oh yeah, it's like sort of a velvety sort of colour, isn't it? Yeah. You got a little bridge over there, you can't walk on that I don't think. This is a really nice garden, really nice addition to the park. Yeah. This is the sort of thing, it's just this type of thing, it's just unique to Paultons Park.
It's lovely, isn't it?
It's just the sort of more garden park feel to it, rather than just a theme park. It's just a really nice addition. Just if you're fed up of going on the rides, you know, this is where you've come. Just to chill out for a little minute. It's fantastic, this is. Look, there's nothing like Thorpe at all. Thorpe's a good park, but it's just unique to have something like this. Oh yeah, I've got to walk over the bridge. Actually, I think we'll walk back to where we're going. We'll put back on ourselves in a minute.
It's up to you. Do you want to look at the birds and that later?
No. Yeah. Head over to where that tall fountain is over there.
You'll want to get on with the ride, don't you, soon?
I will. I'm just eager to get some footage for my guys on YouTube. That fountain's been there for years. I don't know. Well, no one else walking across it. Whoops. Oh well. There we go. Ah, the south closing gate. That is a very tall fountain, isn't it? This has actually been here for since I've known this place, since I've known Paultons. I think that's shall just get good. Just a panoramic view. Oh, there's a waterfall over there. Just there. Oh, right out there. Oh my god. Flight of the... whatever that says. Pterosaurus. Thank you. That was much more intense than I thought. You do not get forces on that, Bob, I'll tell you. Whoa. Oh, I'll tell you. They're literally on that drop. I was sitting towards the back. Oh my god, those forces were insane. Yeah, that thing like that there, fantastic, honestly. I think next I'm gonna go on the Cobra. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go on the Cobra next. I just came off a Cobra. Oh my god, that was epic. I remember when I was a kid, I used to absolutely hate it, but now, oh, I went mad on it. It was actually great. It's a Gersler, single car, 4-person car roller coaster. It's really good. Yeah. Obviously, we've on YouTube. There's plenty of other on-ride videos, so you probably would have seen that before. Yeah, it was great. And I'm gonna squeeze in some more rides before lunchtime. It's always 12:11. Yeah, it is a very busy day today, so there's been a lot of queues. Next, I'm gonna hit Skyspringer. Oops, all right. Just came off of the Dragon Roundabout. I did say that I was going to go on to the Skyspringer next, but I changed my mind. I've forgotten they even had it here. I used to go on that as a kid, and oh my god, I have forgotten how intense that was. I was being pushed up right over to the other side of my car, from the right side to the left, and I was almost hanging out. It's amazing, the forces on that. You'd think it's just a normal kid ride, but no. Blimey. Anyways, now I'm definitely going to go on the Skyspringer. That's 37275. The other way I'm going this way is 630, 67. 8 to Canfield, this road shots from the hard interchange, and that's HMS 7. See the kind of surrounded by scaffolding.